All right, HVAC people, got another no cooling call. Let's see if we can get some footage. See what's going on.
Okay.
I think you called about the service fee? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right.
I've got the gate open over to the outside unit, and I'll show you where the pull down is. It's in the closet off the primary bedroom.
Okay. I like to start there and work my way outside.
Up top.
Yes, sir. Yep.
Okay.
It's terrible when working in the garage is cooler than being in the house.
I bet. And then when you get inside, it feels cool.
It's about 85 in there right now.
Oh, wow. How long has it been down?
Well, we noticed it Sunday evening. It didn't seem as cool, but you know, it's just so hot outside.
Yeah.
Haven't had any issue with it. We moved in April.
Okay.
We kept it on 75 and it worked perfectly until Sunday.
Yeah. It waited to the hottest part of the year.
Yes, sir. It's been a very hot June.
Yeah. All right. I can get that.
Yes, sir. I'm gonna let you unfold it. I couldn't reach up and get to the the bottom of the
All right. Let me get it from there and show me the thermostat real quick. Thermostat.
Oh, yes, sir.
Yeah, we'll take a look at that thermostat. I'm gonna get you.
For some reason, the sellers that we bought the house from, they bought it new in 2018.
Okay.
But they didn't leave any kind of paperwork for us. But thermostat is right there.
I hate these thermostats.
Well, and we had no way of knowing. We had to change the code and do away with the security and all that.
Yeah,
they left nothing.
These some type of energy style thermostats that they basically energy company just give them away.
Yeah.
Oh, I hate one. Okay.
Do you have enough light at all?
Yeah, I got enough light. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. All right, so that's 75.
My wife thought it was probably better to turn everything off.
Yeah.
Because I went outside to check that unit, and the fan was just running continuously. So
okay.
No need to do further damage to the unit.
Right. Yeah. Okay. All right, folks. That's right, folks. Turn your unit off. Don't just run it if it ain't cooling. Blower, so we should have some air circulation.
I can bring a small portable fan and put in here.
No, it's fine. It's fine. Cause I think most of my work gonna be outside. I just want to take a peek up here. It seems like it's running up here. All right. Take the fan around. We do not have a compressor. No compressor. My man just talking down there. All right, I'm gonna go outside. I don't think the compressor running out there.
That's your expertise and experience.
Yeah.
Rely upon you to what the problem is.
Yeah, appreciate it. I think we'll figure it out. All right. I'm gonna leave that open for now, just in case I gotta go back up.
No worries.
All right. He said we go around to the right.
Yes, sir.
All right.
There's two gates, but it's a gate to the left of the front house. I opened it, it may have blown shut, but that's where the
Okay.
we can go out this front door here.
All right.
Take a ride on the
All right.
porch and go around.
Around. Yep, there we go. So we got no compressor. Got the darn locking caps. Yeah, sound like the compressor not running.
There's a need of a 3 non-charge, or where we lived for 20 years. We bought a new home water side of states. And for 2 years we had to get the technician to change the capacitors out.
Wait, say that again.
I say in water side of state.
Water side of states.
Yes, sir.
Where that's at? Where is that?
It's off of 99 South. It's
Oh, okay. think it's trying to start. We're gonna check this capacitor. Okay, like I say, if you want to hang out, you can. I know it's kind of warm right here this time. I'm gonna check this capacitor. I hope that's what it is.
That would be nice.
Yeah. Okay. Let's see. Yep, that'd be nice. That sun not playing today. Already. Alright, so we're gonna check voltage. Got 0, 0, 0. On the safe side, cap. Take this. Take that compressor off right there. Put that on microfarad. I'm gonna go from so we got five microfarads on that capacitor right there. We know it got to be rated more than 5. Yep, think that's our problem right there.
Capacitor.
Yep. I'm gonna put this on here and then we'll test it out. Hey, Walter. Hey, Walt.
Hey Walter, how you doing?
I'm great. How you doing?
I can't hear you breaking up. What's my phone? Yours? Can you hear me?
Yeah. Who is this? Hello.
Yeah, can you hear me, Walt?
Yeah, I'm in a vast service area on this phone. Yeah. Hello?
Mail, press 2.
Hello?
To accept, press 1. To send a voicemail, press 2. Goodbye. Your call.
Alright, folks, let me see here. Alright, folks, let's see what size cap we have. Alright, 45 by 5, 45 by 5. Let's see if we can put another cap on here. Alright, so we got the new capacitor, 45 by 5 cap. Alright. Take no but a second. Still calling for cool, so we want to be careful.
So Walt, any luck finding the right size capacitor?
Yeah. Yeah, they have.
Do y'all have your own ports inventory store, or you just go to any of the carriers?
I usually keep these in stock.
Yes,
It's a like a popular size capacitor.
Right.
So I just ran out of them, but I just bought me 10 more. So the stock
That'll
up.
be good for the next few
Yeah.
clients or customers.
Mm-hmm. Yep. Yeah, these here.
What exactly, I never did ask our other technician, what exactly is the function of a capacitor? What does
Well, I like to, in layman's term, I like to say it's kind of like a jump start, like a battery or something.
Yeah, okay.
But it's a, this a dual.
So does it work in conjunction with the compressor?
Yes, it's a dual start capacitor right here.
Yes, sir.
So it's in conjunction with your compressor and your fan.
Okay.
So the compressor side actually went out because it's rated for like 45 microfarads, and I was only getting 5, so it needs the whole 45 to work. Or they say a plus or minus 10% sometimes, so it needs at least, if it's 45, like 42, 43 in their range.
Okay.
And I was only getting 5, so that's not gonna be enough to start it. But the fan, let me see, the fan, it was actually running, remember?
Yes, sir, it was yesterday when I came out. I got to thinking about that. I guess I just...
Yeah, so the fan side is good.
I made the mistake of thinking, well, heck, it's only 5-year-old or thereabouts, so...
Yeah.
And I have only mowed a couple of times since we moved in.
Yeah, see like this fan here though, but I'm getting 4.6 on this fan.
Yes, sir.
And it's rated for 5. So that's enough to start that fan. But look out on the compressor though. You see the compressor? I'm getting 4.9.
Yeah.
And it's rated for 45. Yeah, see, it's not gonna be enough to start it.
Oh.
Yeah. And if I do this new compressor, watch when I do this new capacitor, we can check that one too. See, it's rated for 45. Now look at my meter now. See my meter? See that 43?
Oh, yeah.
See, that's enough to start it.
Coming up.
Mm-hmm.
Super.
Yeah.
Good.
So now when we apply power, she'll hear that fan, that compressor kick on.
That'll be a good sound.
Yep.
I kept telling my wife, get out of this garage, go in, sit down, get a bottle of water, cool off. She said, it's cooler in the garage with the breeze than it would be in the house.
Yeah.
I said, well, okay, wife.
Sound like she likes to stay busy, huh?
She does.
Yeah. All right, let's see if we hear that good old compressor sound. Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah. That's it right there. There's hot air blowing out of here now. Yep. Good. So I'm gonna do an overall check on it also to make sure we're running good.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
All right, well, we'll be around.
Yeah. Okay then. Like I said, I'm gonna check the pressure.
Got these locking caps on here.
Alright, so he has a locking caps on here. I keep these on my key ring. You don't want to get out here one night and can't get these caps off. Alright, we'll check some pressures for him. Check the amps. About 9 amps, rated for 14, that's good. Let me get some gauges. Alright, HVAC people, hey, we out. That was a capacitor change out, 45 by 5. Shout out to unit cooling well, refrigerant pressure's looking good. We on to the next one.